Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to unsubscribe emails from Outlook. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you don't want to receive any unwanted emails to your Outlook inbox, then you can easily unsubscribe from the particular email and stop it from cluttering your inbox. To do that, it's pretty simple. Open up a web browser and make sure that you're logged into your Outlook account. Once you are, click the settings button or the gear button in the upper right hand corner from the main home page. Soon after you do that, click on View All Outlook Settings button at the bottom. Click on the Mail option from the left hand side of the screen and now go to Subscription. Click on Unsubscribe button next to each and every subscription in which you are no longer interested. In the pop-up that asks you if you want to unsubscribe for sure, click OK. Keep in mind that the list of active subscriptions does not include senders you've added to block senders and domains. When you unsubscribe from a particular sender, you won't be able to receive emails from the sender about news and about your profile. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.